This partnership with the company Philips consists in the substitution of over 1,200 external lights in our plant in Martorell, both in our internal streets and also in our parking areas outside. We're changing the actual lighting for LED lights. Philips is guaranteeing us a minimum level of lighting during the whole period of this contract. Each one of these LED lightings has geolocation device in itself. This allows individual regulation of the intensity of each one of them. The commitment of SEAT with the environment started many years ago. Actually, we were one of the first automobile plants in Spain who installed a cogeneration power plant. To give some framework for all these activities, 5 years ago we started our ECOMOTIVE FACTORY program. Our objective is to reduce in the year 2018 up to 25% the environmental impact of our production processes.